It's funny, right? I know.
Pag tama, diba? Ipe-press pag nasabi.
Pag nasabi.
Word.
Yung mga tabo na word.
Okay.
Oh, go na ba? Mga tabo na word. Yung simba.
Ready, set, go! Anime.
Cartoons. Yay!
Oh my God!
Oh my god. That was in taboo, right?
Yeehaw!
Cowboy.
Yeehaw! Horses!
Riding. Horse riding. Back horse riding.
John Wayne.
Farm! Farm!
Come on, say it.
GTRs, Nissan! Yeah. Cars. Oh my gosh. No!
I mean, dun papunta.
Ayun yung word.
Big style.
Ano? Minus one?
Sabihin to.
Minus one?
Yeah, -1. Bawal na sabihin ito. Ito yung
Top of your body.
Okay. Pass yun? -1 yun. Naughty. Kinky.
Horny.
Kinky stuff. Arrested. Oh shit. -1.
Minus one.
Bastard.
Oh my god.
Drunk.
Alcohol.
Classy.
Up. Time's up. Time's up.